68 water vinegar.
Action.
Okay, so.
Sorry. Ooh.
Over the door hooks. Yeah, over the door hooks.
Hooks.
There's no other way to crumble, you know. It is what it is. This isn't even probably the right way. I just know from the bear.
Okay, scene. Oh my god. Why are you doing it like that?
Why else would I do it?
Just pull it off and your
okay.
hands on top. Okay. You're gonna hit the ceiling.
I thought that's how you
I
do
like
it.
how she's pointing at the hand.
Do that. Scene 9, take 1, action.
Okay.
What vacuum this is?
Glad that wasn't the camera.
It was not. If it was the camera, bro, I would be diving.
The front keeps popping off now.
You gotta really actually get it in there.
It's not clipped in. It needs to go down for. No.
Oh. Watch your finger.
There. Okay. Is that what I'm supposed to say?
I don't know.
I'm not gonna say today, I'm just gonna say I'm reviewing.
Yeah, go for it. Okay, scene 1, take 1, action.
Today. And never look back. Oh shit. Thanks for watching the vacuum review. That's so bad. Okay. I couldn't remember the name. Get 2 men in a tub. Rub-a-dub-dub. Now it's time to hose it out. Did I spray you? Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Only a little bit, it just scared the shit out of me.
Misty.
There's like one speck of water.
Sorry, girl.
Yes. Okay. Okay, scene 1.
Everybody, shut up. Respectful.
Feature weird.
Wheel weeble.
Wheel weeble. Don't breathe after.
Somebody steal my box?
He's gone. He's long gone. Well, he moved. He's not dead. He moved out.
Oh my god.
I just had an orgasm.
I really wish she needed a job.
I know, me too.
Like, I love her.
Smart people generally have good jobs.
You're right.
Are you saying we're not smart?
You have a good job already.
Well, I've been drinking out of this one. I think I'm drinking out of somebody's cup. That's not mine.
Thanks for watching. Remember, your stuff isn't clean. Oh.
Close.
Close.